Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financial. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a raw spread account on forex.com. To get started, let's open browser and search for forex.com. Now forex.com website will open. So here scroll down until you find open a raw spread account. So here it is, click on it. It will navigate you to this interface. Here again tap on open raw spread account. It will navigate you to another interface. Here fill up the required details and tap on save and continue button. So in this way you can fill up the required details, create a raw spreadsheet account. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.